Hi, I'm Caroline Weilert, Vice President of Marketing at ValleyCrest Landscape Maintenance. I'm at the BOMA International Show in beautiful Seattle, and I'm joined today by Florence Barbour, Regional Vice President at Winthrop Management. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
We're going to talk about innovation and sustainability and trends today, and I'm so excited to hear what you have to say. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, terrific. The first question is, properties can gain an advantage through sustainability movements. Can you share some examples of what your company has done in this space and what some of the results have been?
Well, Winthrop Management is very committed to their staff, tenants, owners, as far as implementing as much green initiatives as they can. We've been very involved in Energy Star programs. We have been very involved in all the, cleaning initiatives, energy saving initiatives. One of the big things that come to mind with me are the restrooms initiatives where you save money through water conservation. We put in all low flow toilets and urinals, and although we did our homework and we knew we would be saving quite a bit of money, I think it was a little bit of a surprise that we saved like 47% on the toilets themselves and like 97% on the urinals. So that was a bit of a surprise, but we did know we would save quite a bit of money. So we've been very involved in doing low cost initiatives, obviously for ownership reasons. A lot of owners don't want to put a lot of money into some of these initiatives, but it's important, and you can do these at a very low cost, and the payback just through the operating expense savings is phenomenal. So it's a great way to go to get operating expenses down as well, and be friendly with the environment.
That's great. And so we know that commercial office space is extremely competitive. How does the landscape contribute to your property's success and differentiating?
Well, I personally believe, and I know management, Winthrop Management believes, that landscaping it's the first thing you see when you go into a property, and it's the first impression that a prospect would see, and it's very, very important. Number one, for your leasing and marketing efforts, because that's going to show your property in a much better light. Also in conserving water, which obviously helps with the operating expenses. All those different initiatives with landscaping. One that we have just actually tried that I thought was very, quite neat actually, is this new mulch that's made out of rubber. We've used a lot of that, and we're using that in our interior and exterior landscaping, which I think has proven to be quite interesting. So it's things like that that kind of put you on the leading edge with other properties.
All right. And then the final question is, as you look at the future, can you tell me what trends or innovations you see coming down the pike? What's next?
Well, obviously innovations is key. I mean, there's no doubt about that. I do believe that recycling and manufacturing is going to become much more sophisticated. I think that's going to be a huge, huge innovation area that we can all look to. I think that solar energy and windmills, those types of energies are going to become more and more prevalent in our lifestyle. It's very, very important because our utility resources, we're facing, the stress on our utilities where we're going to be running out of some resources as time goes on. So it's very, very important that we, stay the course and we implement as much as we can to try to save the environment and the energy.
Terrific. Any other closing thoughts?
Well, I think that the green living is going to become more and more as we get, older. There's going to be more and more just in the residential side. I think people are going to downsize their whole living style, square footage that they live in. I mean, it's going to affect everything. I just truly believe that green is here to stay. I don't think it's going anywhere.
Great. Well, thank you so much. It was
You're
nice
welcome.
to meet
Thank
you.
Nice to meet you.